Ganda. Bagay sa outfit mo! Bakit?
Guys, it's my birthday! So happy I spent it with you guys. I love you. Mwah. Nawalan ng cellphone. Tapos,
Ako pinagbuhat.
pinagbuhat pa. Boyfriend duties!
Yeah.
Let's drink, let's drink. Cheers, cheers, cheers for reals.
25th birthday.
Hi guys! I'm here! Hindi ko na alam kasi nagtatry ako mag-vlog about my birthday. And wala akong maayos na shots. Kasi lahat ng gala ko illegal.
Kailan na naging legal ang mga...
So, technically, hindi ko rin siya ma-upload. If ever man dumating yung time na na-upload ko na to, ibig sabihin na bisto na ako ng magulang ko. Na umiinom.
Or too long. Ay, sige pa.
So, I'm just resting because I came back from laboratory. I had CBC earlier. Complete blood checkup. Tama ba? Anyway. There are a lot of messages that I've been receiving and naka-on yung phone ko because I'm monitoring if there are any urgent messages from my office, from work. And all these birthday greetings are coming through. And I don't know. I don't know how to reply because I really want to rest right now. Ilang days na din akong super pagod mentally and physically. Daming nilalakad and everything. So, ngayon lang tayo first weekend after 3-4 weeks din. Siguro mga 3 to 4 weeks na nagkaroon ng time to actually just rest. And I wanted to reply to these birthday greetings because they all have special place in my heart, yung mga nag-greet sa akin, and I really do appreciate it. But I'm also, at the back of my mind, I'm also thinking of this project study that I have to start for my one of my courses in my master's. So that's been bugging me, and there's like a deadline, I think next month. But I want to rest. I want to rest so bad. I want to just sleep and not think of anything. But it's my birthday, so I'm really happy. It's my 25th birthday. I just don't know how to reply to all of the messages yet. So there's that. But so far, this is how my day is going. It's currently 11. Wait, I think it's past 11 already. I just finished washing my laundries, and it's on the dryer right now. So I'm waiting for that. So sabi ko, probably squeeze in some nap or ano. Anyway, so I think I'm quite productive naman already this morning. Let's just see later this afternoon if I could continue that or I'll just fall asleep until hapon. I don't know yet. That's time check. Past 11 already for my birthday. I'm just too happy right now. I'm just so happy.